walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Global warming. Huh? Oh. Wait, don't go! It's too darn hot. Now I know what a potato feels like when it's baking. What a heat wave we're going through.
Phew, boy. What a scorcher. Wish I could take my fur off.
Genius time! Must beat the heat! Huh? Poor little overheated beak face. Chicky, don't worry. I'll cool you down, pal. Wait there. Here, and here. Also here. Also here. And here. And here too. Now, which wire leads to what? Was it red or blue? Or was it gray or gray? I better unplug them both. Just to be certain. They're alive! Alive! You are so lucky to have a friend as smart as me. You'll be cool in no time. I just need to get some nice refreshing drinks from the fridge now. Come to me, my lemonade. Whoa, no way! It's even too hot inside the fridge. This isn't just a heat wave. This heat must be the work of global warming. Well, all right then. It's time to invent something that protects us from Mr. Sun. This is my best idea ever. Beat the heat. Yeah. Ha. Huh? Ah.
Hi, Bucky. I brought you some nice cold fruit punch.
Franny, thanks, but I don't have time for punch. I'm doing something really important. Can you not see that I'm working hard on a machine that will block out the sun?
Great. Why would you need to block out the sun?
To save the world from the terrors of global warming. Look, Franny. Ooh, just need a few props. And there. Say you're relaxing in the sun, just catching some rays, and you start to get a little extra hot. You start up your sweet sunblockinator O-Matictron and... shade! Even on the hottest of days! Huh? A fire? Looks like it's near Bucky's place! I'm coming to rescue you, buddy!
Oh, Bjorn! Hi there! Want some fruit punch?
Hey there. Bucky? So, what's burning? Nothing's burning. It's worse. Global warming is ravaging our planet. Bjorn, my poor fridge is no longer cold. It got warmed. This is bad. Hurry, we've got to save our forest.
So, will you two boys have some of my punch or not?
Who cares about the punch? Don't you die on us, forest. Hey, come on. Pump it, guys. Keep on pumping it. That's great. You picked the wrong globe to warm, Buster. Put your back into it.
So, heroesque. Well, guess I should put the punch in the fridge.
Who cares about the punch?
The stuff is delicious. Huh, that's weird. Oh, it's been turned off. Odd choice on such a hot day. Oh, the pluggy's outie. There you go, sweetie. Now it'll cool right down. See you later, Punchy.
Hump, you humpers! Hump like the wind! Yes! Take that, global warming!
Fellas, I'm heading home. Bucky, I plugged your fridge back in for you and left some punch. Okay, bye!
Huh? It wasn't global warming that did it then? All this time, I unplugged the refrigerator myself?
And we both thought that we were saving the entire forest. Pump, guys! Pump like the wind!
That's Franny the Fox 1, global warming 0. Want some fruit punch?
That sounds amazing. It's really hot out today.
Well, that's global warming for you.
Insomnia.
Could this get any worse? Are you kidding me? Shh! Nobody cares who. Go away, world! Stop it! Ignore it. Just ignore it. Gotcha. Now shh. I mean it. No! Bjorn! 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 Hey! It's me! Bucky!
Hey, Buck. What's going on?
Oh! Morning, Bjorn. I can't sleep because I've got no sleepnea.
Insomnia. That's what they call it. Go take a nap. Come back this afternoon and we'll talk about why you can't sleep or whatever then.
How am I supposed to take a nap if I can't sleep?
Well, you've got a point there. Well, let's solve your problem together and figure out why you're having this insomnia. To start, tell me everything you did yesterday.
Yesterday, hang on. In the morning, I did some pretty important high-tech research. A little light farming, a lot of high-level brain stuff. Like most days, it's pretty taxing. Then, after lunch, some moderate to heavy farming, with yoga on the side. Then, after some advanced gravity experiments, I invented a whole new way to use a chair. Oh, then finally, I thought of 2 rhymes for the word orange, but I didn't have anything to write them down with, so I forgot them. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So you just played Farm Hero all day long.
That pretty much covers it, yes. Well, I was gonna do more, and then I just didn't.
Well, I do know one cure for insomnia, but I left it under this big pile of firewood. Can you help find it?
Easy McPeasy. Not really seeing anything under here. Maybe it's under this pile. Or these piles.
Keep looking. You're doing great, Bucky.
Hey! What's up? Where's your cure? It's not here.
Well, that's weird. I was sure it was there. What if it's lost in all that big, tall grass?
Right. So where's the lawnmower? I was hoping for the kind you ride on. Oh well, this will work just fine. Still no sign of a cure.
Keep looking. It's gotta be somewhere.
Nothing. Nada. Squat.
Well,
what?
now that I'm remembering, that insomnia cure could have fallen from my pocket while I was planting trees. Wanna check?
Please.
Is it under that log? Or by the fence, maybe? Keep looking.
If I look any harder, my eyes will explode.
Yeah, it's under the log. Or in the hedge. There. Oh. Hey! I definitely had it in the flower bed. Maybe. Or was it in the leaves? Or the dock that isn't there yet. And did you check the Zen rock garden? Or under my dirty dishes? Where, oh where could it be? While you're checking the roof, can you install this pinwheel? Nice, thanks. So is it up there?
I can't believe we still haven't found your insomnia medicine after looking all that time. It's mega extra lost. Phew, I'm so tired. I'm sleepy. I'll get some sleep and then we can look for the insomnia cure again in the morning.
Why bother with that? A hard day's work is the best cure for insomnia at night.
Makes sense. Hope I can find that no-sleep-nia cure when I wake up.
The house spirit.
This is 1,000,000% true. It was a dark and stormy night. I was in my house all by myself, working on a gadget, which I never got to work right. But forget that. There I was, geniusing away. And then what? I took one bite and put the cake back. It was mad tasty, by the way. Right, but then when I looked, cake? Cake, where are you? Cake?
It was gone?
Completely gone, the whole piece. I'd only had one bite.
And then what?
Well, that was how it started. Ever since, whenever I look the other way, blam! My food vanishes. This one time, I was reading this really hard book for super smart bears, and can you believe it? Blam! Completely empty. And it's happened other times too. Huh? When I'm meditating, or working out. I mean, at its core, there's something really fishy going on. It started happening all the time. It's even sort of scary. If all my food just keeps disappearing, what am I supposed to do? Think maybe I could just stay with you until this problem stops?
Listen, Bucky, we have this ancient legend up north where I come from. They say that in the den of every bear, there lives a house spirit. And if the bear does something to upset him, he will become angry. And then he'll start playing all sorts of mean, bad tricks.
Just be quiet with your made-up ghost stories. Modern science guides this bear's life. Look, excuse me, I'm back. I'm talking formulas, theorems, and proofs. Elegant math equations. Backed up by advanced, complex, state-of-the-art lab experiments. Really sciencey science! Through which I've absolutely proven beyond a shadow of a doubt that dumb house spirits just do not exist.
But your food keeps disappearing, doesn't it?
All right, fine. If I have a house spirit, why'd he become a food thief? He never took anything before.
I'm not sure. I guess that he's upset.
Upset? At what? Just look at the sweet place he gets to call home. Spacious, warm, stylish, bright. Brilliant feng shui.
You know, Bucky, while it's true you have a wonderfully nice place to live in here, but it's a bit of a terrible mess. I'd be upset if I had to live here.
If you had looked where you were stepping, you'd have no reason to be upset. And this is not just some ordinary mess. It's a creative genius mess. It's like the inside of my brain. Whoa! My brain's a mess.
Perhaps we should tidy up anyway. I can help, you know. Here we go.
Careful, buddy.
We're getting pretty good at this. Well, if it isn't Mr. Buttons.
Whoa! I lost that, like 4 whole months ago.
What is this thing?
So, I thought I should be prepared in case aliens ever land here. Of course I would need to document the moment. So I set up surveillance cameras all over the house.
So, did the aliens ever actually come?
Not yet. Could be they took a wrong turn. Alien GPS is buggy.
Are the cameras still all recording stuff?
Of course! Bjorn, you're a genius! Now, thanks to modern technology and my amazing brain's first-rate thinking, we've got footage of my house spirit. You can totally tell I'm geniusing up a storm there. There! Chicky, that naughty pumpkin! But what's up? Where's the house spirit? Forward. Chicky again? Just wait until I get my hands on that little yellow yum burglar. That was my honey! Come on! Forward. Chicky again? Are you kidding me? That sneaky little beak face. Well, there. It was just Chicky the whole time. And you were talking about house spirits.
But your house is a lot tidier and cleaner than it used to be, Bucky. If a house spirit was living here, he'd definitely be happier now.
That's fine by me. I like it like this. There's room to skateboard inside. Ooh, I always hide a cookie in the couch. Where'd it go? It had cream in the middle. I need it. I really need it. Huh? Give me back my cookie! Hey! Come back!